Um, as you are aware, there is a new Google Classroom class. So if you click back here on classes, you'll see your invite if you haven't joined already. These we are leaving for a bit, but we're not posting any work there. So make sure you join the Year 5 2021 class. Now, I hope you had an amazing holiday. Obviously, it's not going to be as amazing as past holidays, but hey, it was no schoolwork, which is always a bonus. Okay, let's have a look. Her last work. Tuesday, today, 5th of October. As you can see, it's 6:15 this morning. I'm doing it. Alright. I will be at school today, so the Zoom will be with Mrs. Walker at 10 a.m. Alright. Okay, we haven't put the extra Englishes in today. We thought we'd start a bit slower. We're going to have a look at your maths today, so make sure you focus on that and do an extra good job. Attendance, make sure you fill in your attendance form. Wellbeing check, how are you today? How are you feeling on your return to school? Why do you feel that way? Prayer, there's the voice to listen to it. English writing. Okay, we're looking at Morris Gleitzman. We do an author study in term 4, and our author is Morris Gleitzman. I wonder if you've read any of his books. Okay, this is Morris Gleitzman over here. I actually just saw on the news probably a month ago that he's retiring, actually. Just popped into my head. Watch the whole video. Over the next few weeks, we'll be researching, exploring, and writing information text about author Morris Gleitzman. Okay, have a look here. Task 1, what do we already know? So you're going to create a mind map. Okay, demonstrating everything you know about this author. This could include his life, his books, his interests, or something else. So break them into sections and then branch off in the sections. That's how you do a good mind map. Okay. You can use the template on the following slide. Here's a blank template. On the following slide. Oh, I skipped too far. There you go. On his template on the following slide. Or you might like to make your own. This can be digital or paper mind map. Use lots of sentences, individual words, and drawings. Once you've finished, post a photo to the next slide. Over here. Okay. And an author profile. Now we're going to deepen our understanding of Morris Gleitzman through researching into his life, career, and achievement. Okay, conduct some research about Morris Gleitzman. I've put a list of trustworthy websites on the right that you can look at. You might like to look at others, even videos. Complete the next slides using the information you've found. Okay, so you can use any of those you want here. Easy. Full name, date of birth, place of birth, famous for, and an image of him. Oops. Some things happen in his early life, his education, images should associate in some way, career and achievements. Display some of his books here, then delete the arrow. Okay, pretty easy. Should be a nice fun start with mathematics. Addition and subtraction, easy. Okay, switch on some times tables to get our brains working. It's just our number sense. Okay. Your task is to complete the questions on the following slides. You will need to draw the circle around the correct answer. You have the whole 45 minutes to complete this, so take your time to work through the questions carefully. Okay. This picture shows 27 minus 8 stepping to tens. Stepping to tens. Okay. 27 minus 8. Minus 7 minus 1. Okay, so stepping to tens means going to the whole number. So down to the 20. So minus 7, then minus 1. Okay, so your answer for the first one is B. Write the answer in the box. The number line shows 4,653. plus 274. What is the missing number? So 463 plus 200. What's the number there? It's not asking what the total answer is. What's the number there? Okay, pretty easy. Difference between 47 and 678 is, so 678 and 47, the difference between those two. The question becomes, what minus what? The working in this example shows trading equal addends. Please. Okay, 12 minus 8 is 4, 6, wow, and that's a 3, then it's a question 4. Alright, 6 minus 4, 1. Oh, it's 5. Oh wow, that's difficult. I think it's equal addends. You trade to do the question, but I don't even know what that is. Equal addends. What are equal addends? Even numbers can be. What? Equal algorithm. Equal algorithm. 7 10s, 41s. What? Well, now I do it. I change that 6 to a 5, and then I do 5 minus 4 equals 1. But I understand if it's adding 1 here, it's taking away 1 there, but okay. Go with equal addends because what they do, which I don't really like. Anyway, so 2 can't take away 8, so they're adding 1 there, so that's adding another 1 to subtract there. 12 minus 8 is 4, so 6 minus 4 minus 1 is 1. So 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1. That's how it's working. 4 can't take away 9, so it's adding 1 there, so they're taking away 1 there. 14 minus 9 is 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 9 minus 3 is 6. I really don't like that, but anyway. Choose a word that refers to adding. It's easy. Easy. Complete the number sentence that shows an estimate. Okay, 700,000 rounded up minus, well, not a good estimate, but yeah, 100,000. What is the missing jump? Oh, that's easy. 126, 100. How much are we missing? Alright. Jeez, must be my brain first staying at 620 now. Alright. Yeah, easy. Complete the calculation. Space them out. Okay. Oh, I really don't like the ones down the bottom. Okay. Which number line shows that? They're pretty easy. Oh. Use any method except a calculator. Yeah, you cheaters. I like the equation. Alright. Okay, easy. 268 plus 100 is, well, plus how much? Not the total, not just 100, and get the answer. Alright. Interesting. Alright. They're pretty easy. Wow, sorry. Let's see, you can all ask Mrs. Walker about that addends one, although I think it's Miss Corkill's question, but I didn't like it. Alright, we're in 3 groups, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Here are your groups. Nothing you need to bring. You can tell me all about your holiday. I'm sure you didn't get to as much as you'd like. Alright, religion, about the sacraments, write down what you already know about sacraments in the box. Okay. Oh, well, there's a nice little hint. There's 7 of them. Okay. And about each of 7, how do we experience sacraments? Okay, have a look, read through. Draw a mind map. Okay, we're liking mind maps today. Post your mind map here. Science. Okay, structural and behavioural features of animal support survival. Okay, watch following videos on Australian wildlife and poem My Country by Dorothy McKellar. Think about how Australian animals live in such harsh conditions. Okay. What do we know? Brainstorm your response to the question on the following slide. How do plants and animals live in different harsh Australian environments? Okay. What do you know? So I think, what do you think now? What questions do you have? How might you answer these questions? Okay. Pretty simple. What are adaptations? Okay. Watch the video. Write down 5 VIPs. A bit of work today. In this video, we're in the table on the next slide. Okay, it's pretty self-explanatory. There's nothing jumping out that I need to say. So you've got structural, physical, behavioral, psychological. Okay, the video will talk about it. So if you don't know what that is, you didn't listen to the video. Define each type. 2 examples of each type. Okay. Provide images. Pretty simple. Alright, well, we hit you with it hard when we come back. Favorite activity? What time did you finish? Do you have anything to tell us? Okay. We'll start a new story this term, and from today I want you to tell me something to include in the story. So the first secret, or the first thing I want, is you're going to help create it. So everyone just send me a word, a thing, an event, something that you can think of, and I'll start to think, how can I include it in the story? So it might be somewhere we end up a place, so like it's the same thing, but just anything. It might be a puppy, it might be a location, it might be a food, it could be a word. I might use any of them as a secret code. I might create something new, but you send through something. Okay. Wow, I struggled this morning to get through that. Hope you guys can do better than I did. All right, I will see you all soon.